Hey there, Dr. Crypto here with another Crypto.com update, also known as Kronos. So before I start, I hope everybody's having a great day, having a great week wherever you are in the world and whatever you're doing. I hope you're having a great time. But if you want to sign up to the Crypto.com app, down below in the description is a link with a referral code too. So if you want to sign up, use that referral code, you get $25 and I get $25. So we're both winners on that. But also, if you want to give us a subscribe, give us a thumbs up, or even, if you want to, give us a thumbs down. That'd be much appreciated because it helps with the algorithm of the channel. So, as I'm a new channel, anything helps. So, yeah, so let's get into it. Let's see what's happening with the market and also Crypto.com. So looking at the market at the moment, we're still over that 1 trillion mark. We've got over 55 billion in volume. Bitcoin dominates at 42.1 and Ethereum at 18.7. So you can still see on the 60 days, we're still on Bitcoin, still up 34%. Ethereum still up 30%. And then obviously BNB, 18%. And then we could go down to Cardano, which is 33%. Polygon Matic, 53%. And then you can look at Sol, 88%. So everything's just come down slightly. Obviously, last night, early this morning, we've had a bit of a knockback on Bitcoin and that. But, it's not surprising, really. When you've got information like this on here, McKenna says, this is a guy who's, it's worth following actually, Crypto McKenna. You can follow him here. He says here, there's a few things concerning me right now. The market, me, inclined to sit on hand during March. So we've got the Voyager and Celsius constant sell side pressure liquidating assets. We've got the Shanghai uncertainty on the sell flows, hence the natural de-risking and a reaction to the potential Mount Gox. But also what we've got is we've also got the Silvergate issue, as we saw yesterday. If we quickly look at the chart here, we can see Silvergate at the moment. This is what a lot of the exchanges use. So you can see down here, we've had this massive drop here. We're down currently, obviously US markets closed. We're down at just over 57% down on that. So what's been going on? Well, we know Crypto.com, and it's not just Crypto.com, it's many other exchanges too, like Coinbase. So Crypto.com suspends US dollar transfer via Silvergate. But if you want to carry on, look at the news, you've got Watching Guru there, you can find them on Twitter too. So it says here, Silvergate has been under scrutiny after failing to file annual reports on time. The delay in filing the report raised concerns as the bank stated that is evaluating its ability to operate. Silvergate is one of the banks that was affected by the fallout of FTX Exchange. The bank also reported a 1 million net loss in Q4 of 2022. So we could see here now, according to the latest announcement, the Crypto.com exchange has suspended USD deposits and withdrawals via Silvergate. You can see it on Watch Guru on Twitter. Watching Guru, so basically Crypto.com suspends USD deposits and withdrawals, citing caution. Always better be cautious and just ignore it and just think everything's going to be okay. And then he found out it isn't. So they're being cautious and done the right thing. They have suspended. So Watch Guru reached out for a statement from Crypto.com regarding the decision, which was followed stated below. It says here, in the light of recent news with regard to Silvergate and out of abundance of caution, USD deposits and withdrawals via Silvergate has been temporarily suspended. You see the word there, temporarily. That's everything might be okay. Everything might be fine, but they're just being cautious. And that's what I like about Crypto.com. Deposit withdrawals via Silvergate have been temporarily suspended. Funds transferred via Silvergate will be rejected during this time. Other deposits and withdrawals methods remaining available and working as usual. All customers' funds are safe and available. We proactively communicate this change to current Silvergate users. Crypto.com cited that the funds transferred via the bank will be rejected during the time, and the decision was precautionary measures. The exchange also assured that funds were safe. And and this is what I mean about Crypto.com. They're always they always come across transparent. They're always there updating their users via Twitter or on their website. Or talking to external media companies like Watch Guru, so I have every faith in them. I've got nothing to worry about. I hold a significant amount of Crow, a lot of Crow. I've built it up over the past 2 years. I have sold some when we're in the bull market. Obviously, you do to make profits. But I've been accumulating in this bear market, even in the FUD I was accumulating, and this is why. Because they are transparent. But anyway, we've had other news off Chris, so he's going on to more positive news here. So we've got Crypto.com, AI converging is going to be a sight to behold. And this is the other thing about Chris, the CEO. I know people say CZ, but Chris, he's always out there. He's always mingling with the community. Pardon me. So he says here, things are going to speed up dramatically from this point. So it says here, Ethan Mollick says here, 2 early papers find effective generation AI knowledge. They're working on completely unprecedented in modern history. So AI is the word. AI is the thing at the moment. Could this be like Asia with the markets, like with Filecoin and such like? But is AI going to be also one of the part of the catalysts for the next bull run? It seems to be building up that way to me. But also we've also had Crypto.com is proud to participate in the Investopedia as funding partner. You can see Eric went on stage. You can click on this. It was a pleasure to participate in the 2023 edition of Investopedia, where Crypto.com is a founding partner. Investopedia brings together global leaders and change agents to engage in the latest thinking of global investment ecosystem opportunities ahead. And like I said, they grab the opportunities, and you can see Eric here. During this day, I also had pleasure to exchange with the H.E. Abdullah bin Turk, Minister of Economy, and the next step of the Investopedia platform and discussions of the new economic vertical growth of the UAE. So you can see him rubbing shoulders with billionaires here, because Asia, you got the Middle East, these guys are where they've got the real big money. And rubbing shoulders, it's all good. It's all getting out there. It's like I say with Crypto.com, they get out there and they mix and mingle. There's no two ways about it. Crypto.com, everything they're doing from the Crypto.com cards that earn NFTs, the exchange, and whatever they do, they are building, and it's getting all their platforms. I know it's one thing. It's very simple. I find personally, it's very simple to use. It's not not difficult to use at all. Have a look at it a couple of times, and it's simple as. But like I said, if in the description below, if you want to sign up to Crypto.com, you get $25. I get $25 if you sign up and use the referral link. So so you've got. Well, that for an example, you get all those initiatives, So the building also with like the Kronos chain, that's all building too. They've got the DeFi wallet where you can go and stake and earn your CRO. So while we're in this bear market, why not earn? And also it keeps the blockchain going. It keeps it fully active. But at the same time, the Kronos chain's benefiting and you're benefiting because you're earning CRO. And like with the debit card, I've got the Icy White debit card. When I go shopping, I use my Icy White card all the time, and I'm always gathering code, finding ways to get CRO, build up my stack ready for this bull market, because it will happen. We get all this bad news now. We've had bad news in the last year. We're getting a bit of bad news this month. But I keep on accumulating, even if it's by me buying with pounds or dollars, but also using my CRO card and also using DeFi as well. I'm building that stack up, and I have every faith with Crypto.com Kronos. But like I said, always do your research. Never put more money than you're willing to lose. Have your risk management. But I can tell you one thing before I go. A lot of people were complaining about the incentives that have gone on some of the cards or been reduced. I'm pretty sure when the bull market comes back, they've got some ideas in the background. In their boardroom, they've discussed what incentives are we going to bring back in the next bull market, and I bet they've got some nice little surprises. So yes, they've done the right thing in the bear market. They've cut back on things, and every business in a bear market, doesn't matter if you're Microsoft or whatever, you will pull back on certain features. It's just a part of the parcel. When the bull market comes back, they keep building. They will add these new features back in. But with Crypto.com, they're building through this bear market. You can't deny them that. You know, Chris, the CEO, transparent. Eric, transparent. They're all there and they're interacting with the community, which is always great to see. But I hope that's been useful for you. If you like this kind of content, give us a thumbs up and give us a subscribe. That is much, much appreciated. So we'll see you soon in the next video.